Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Cricut Heart. And wow, my allergies are still, wow, I know it must be fall because I got a little bit of a sinus headache and I got a little bit of just a scratchy throat. Not sick. I mean, this is definitely allergies because they come and go. So I went to Hobby Lobby and I didn't buy a ton of stuff, but I really wanted to go and find the punch I was looking for that I had gone to Michael's to go find. So of course, while I'm there, I bought some other things. First, I stopped by Petco, where I was. There's a Petco, and I'm trying this deep cleaning waterless shampoo on my dog because I think I might have mentioned in one of my videos that he broke his leg and it's healing very slowly. I mean, I don't know. So it's been 6 or 7 weeks. He goes back. We'll see how he does, but he is really starting to stink to high heaven, and he is a big fluffy dog, and he smells. So I'm going to try that and hope that that does something. So I did. It was just happened to be in the bag. That's one of the reasons why I showed you guys. Forgot it was in there. I saw a lot of people hauling this when these kits were 50% off. Of course, when I went to Hobby Lobby, they did not have this kit. They had it today at the Hobby Lobby I went to today, and I used a 40% off coupon because they only had the one. And I just really, really love these die cuts that it comes with. And of course, these little hearts are always going to be useful, but it's a really, really nice kit. So you get 10 12 by 12 papers, you get a cardstock sticker sheet, you get an alpha sheet, you get your enamel stickers, and then you get all these die cuts. You get 19 of them, and they are really, really cute. So I got that. And then here is the punch that I wanted. And all the punches were 40% off. So I wanted this confetti punch. It's just so much easier than trying to punch over and over again. These little, so you can get a lot more shapes for your buck. And then I went ahead and picked this up since they were 40% off. This little crown. And their gems and gemstones were 50% off. So I went ahead and got those because they go along. I don't know if I hauled this or not. I'm getting confused about what I hauled or not because it's still sitting out as though I hadn't hauled it. But I've been watching Polly's Papers. And if you don't watch her, she's fabulous. She does a lot of vintage stuff. But she had a whole series recently on how she makes her own paper flowers and how she makes them, look nice and professional. So she used this poinsettia die that is from Cherry Lynn Designs. The best price is buying it straight from Cherry Lynn. However, they've changed their name. So they're now, I don't know if I said this, they're now Maker's Movement. Maker's Movement. So they were, and I think I might have hauled this, but anyway, I'm going to use these with these. I'm thinking, maybe, if all goes well, put over there to do that. The other thing that I bought, they had all their Christmas 40% off. I honestly was not in the mood to buy Christmas stuff. I really, really wasn't. But I did see these. These are glitter snowflakes, and they're like a foam. And so I got those. But I'm really, really not in the mood to buy Christmas yet. I don't even want to think about it because I got to get through September, my son's birthday, and I have a lot of birthdays that happen before Christmas anyway. My little niece, my sister. Okay, so I went to Tuesday morning. Now, I had to go to 2 Tuesday mornings to really find enough to even show you guys because I just felt like maybe this was just a light week at Tuesday morning. Like they just didn't have a lot of stuff come in off the truck. I feel like I've hauled this before. Like I might have purchased this already and I'm just buying it again, which is not a bad thing. And if I didn't buy it, then I'm certainly glad I got it because I love the Halloween one that I bought. This is the Paper Plus Value Pack. This one's the Christmas one. I had bought the Halloween one. I used papers for a layout, which won't be posted for a little while. It's for a challenge for a challenge. But I used it on my tags. I used it for the little book that I made, and I just love it. And it does come with treatments. So that one has velvet. It had glitter. This one has, I know it has glitter. I don't know what else it has. It's going to be a surprise, but I found that when I opened it up, it was really spectacular. The one thing I don't like are the sticker sheets. Now, I bought the sticker packs, like the Halloween sticker pack, and I really don't care for it. I find it really juvenile. So, you know, I might gift that to someone just because it's just not really what I had hoped for. The other thing is, you know, whether these numbers, these locator numbers actually work. I have never in my life used one of these numbers and have had it tell me that it's there. So let me know in the comments, you know, if you've used this and it worked. Like, should I continue giving you guys the numbers or should I give it up? Because I saw on, I want to say Scrap Diva 29, but one of the YouTubers I follow was mentioning, maybe it was Craft Purge. I think it was Craft Purge, saying that she wasn't going to do it anymore because she doesn't think that it's working. But I'm going to give it to you. You let me know, because I've had complaints that people wanted me to do it. And if it's not working, then it just seems like a waste. But the number for this is 2010167. It was $4.99. And I think I had this already, but I bought it again because I feel like you can't have too much of this chipboard. It tends to be pretty expensive. The number for this is 1995890, and it's $199 instead of $5.99. And this is the Cozy Christmas. It's the chipboard elements. It's got some with glitter. It's got this frame, which I'm thinking would just be an adorable shaker, maybe a shaker tag, I'm thinking. Even this one would make, all of these little frames would make really cute shaker tags. So that's what I'm thinking, you know, my thinking with that. And then I got this, which I had never seen before. Usually I pass up, like I've seen one where they've had just one large cork sticker, and I'm like, what do you do with that? So these I think would be really cute on embellishments. So that's why I got them, because of the words on them. And this is $2.99. It's called Joy Parade, and it's by Fancy Pants. The number for this is 1896859, and it's $2.99, which I thought was kind of pricey because this one's only $1.99. But I mean, to buy it would be really expensive. Like, this would be really cute inside like a card that I do that's a superhero themed card. So I thought that would be really, really cute. So I just went with that. And then this, I have no freaking idea what's in here, but it just looked like a whole bunch of stuff. So I got it, and it's a faith ephemera. I didn't really notice that, but it didn't look like it was too religious, you know, because I didn't even notice that it said faith ephemera up here. The number is 1942042, and it was $4.99. It's by Bo Bunny, and I don't know if this is just something that they put together. Oh, I see some. This is like from the Bible. I generally don't buy anything that's too faith-based, because I really want to make sure that all my stuff that I make can go to anyone. So this is like a chipboard butterfly. That's kind of cool. So this is a chip. I mean, it is hard chipboard. There is this looks like a dictionary page. It's got like papers. Just random Bo Bunny papers. And then it's got some bags. Right? It's got some bags. It's got flowers. It's got some stickers, some tags, and kind of cool, actually. Just a whole bunch of stuff to make stuff. So I bought that, and that's kind of fun. So something different, because I guess I've been going to Tuesday morning so much, I'm kind of getting jaded, and everything starts looking the same to me. And like I said, I think this was just a week for Tuesday morning. They just didn't have a lot of stuff, but they did have only one of these. This is called Faith Ephemera, but I don't really see anything like really religious in it, so I don't know why it's called that. I did find this. This was a clearance item, and I love it. It's Crate Perry Paper Party Day. It's 4 vellum embellishments, but they're shaker embellishments. They're like sewn. I think that's super cute. I have no idea what I'm going to do with these, but they are really cute. $1.99, 1838949, and I got whatever the yellow sticker is off. I don't don't know what the yellow sticker is. I got 80 cents off on it. Whatever. I don't know. I got these because I don't think I have these colors. So I got those. They're $5.99. And then they had this. I haven't bought any of this ribbon in a really long time. But because it was Christmas, I went ahead and got it. $6.99. And I'm going to leave this out where I can see it so that I make sure I use this for all my tags and all my projects, so I can make sure to use up all of this, except for maybe the ones I could use otherwise, like the black, you know. But the other ones, the really Christmassy ones, I want to make sure I use up this year. So this is premium ribbon, and you get, it says 4 feet each ribbon spools, 24 of them. So it's a good deal. You get a really nice variety of ribbon. So I'll do it on this side so you can see it better. Okay, nice variety. And then I got this Chanel stamp, and it comes with a cute little notepad. And this is the only one they had there. It's $1.99. You know, I don't use these as much as I should. I have a whole bunch of them. I need to put them out where I can see them. 202-8388, $1.99, and it's really cute. Today, dream big, remember when, top 5. It's really cute. What I really need to do, and I've seen someone do this, is stamp all of theirs out so that they know, because you can't tell by looking at it what is on the stamp. So that's kind of problematic with those types of stamps. And then, I'm almost done here. I don't know if I showed this yet. Oh, I know why. Because I have some more Tuesday morning stuff to show you guys. So the Maggie Holmes collection, they have a phrase stamp. This one says Halloween. Halloween? I don't know if it is. $1.99, 202-8384. I don't know if it's Halloween. I don't think it is. Why does it say Halloween up here? Really weird. Lovely day. Remember date. So much fun. Details. It's just not Halloween at all. I don't know what the deal is on that. I got another one of these, which I've hauled before. And then I got 2 packs of these because my thought was that I could use these to make the pom-pom. I could trim this part down and I can make shakers with them. And I also can make the pom-pom frames like Maggie Holmes. So that's why I got those. They're $1.49. And then, dang it, where is my other stuff? Oh, here it is. Let me go ahead and grab this other stuff that I got. So this is stuff that I got at the other Hobby Lobby when I went, and I was like, what the heck? So I got another one of these, which is hopefully the same one as this one. Are they the same? Yeah, of that one. And then I got this stamp, this border stamp, $3.99 Dilutions. The number for that is 2021683. It's $3.99. And I like these borders. I need to use them more. Okay, and then I got these trees. These are fancy pants. So they're brush trees. Good price on them. And so my question to you, my friends, is what the crap do I do with them? Because I have more, like Tim Holtz one somewhere. And I've never done a single freaking thing with them. And I still buy them for some reason. Like, I love these ones because they're all colors. So cute. So I'd love to know if you guys have done anything with these brush trees, if you have a video that you've done, a project share. I'm so curious as to what people do with these cute brush trees so that I can scrap lift from you guys and actually use up my brush trees, because I don't even know what to do. So I wouldn't say that this was a bad haul. I think I was looking for products that were a little bit more unique, and I think that's what I got. Because I just have gone so frequently that now it's like, I didn't see much there, to be honest. So anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Creating with the Heart.